Hey guys, this time I'm going to do unboxing of Peter England pant which I have bought from the Flipkart. And hey guys, without wasting any further time, let's get started. My name is Milind and my channel name is Milind Succession, and you can see the packaging is the paper packaging very easily. I have tore it out, and here is the pant. It is in the blue color, and you can see the pricing of this pant is written as a 14,000 rupees, but actually I got this pant just for 486 rupees. And now I am thinking, oh sorry, actually it is a dark blue pant. Seems like it is a black one, but actually it's a dark blue pant. You can see the Peter England patching here. Here is a strip of Peter England, and the price is quoted here. So this is the best quality pant, and soon I'm going to wear this pant and I will show you that how this pant looks at me. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can see such kind of videos regularly. Thank you for watching.